My patented clap at them works every time. Oh my gosh, it's Buff Gary!
You're saying Gengar's strategy to take out Pokemon is clapping. That's what it sounds in the games. I want to be the very best. That's what I want to do. So I'm going to use this Pokeball. Go!
I'm not a Pokeball, Ashton!
I'm going to throw you!
I will whoop your butt off. Turn off that TV. Turn it to Pokemon Learning. Yes, I am Pokemon Learning. Dr. Pokemon Learning. That's my name.
Oh yeah, I love streaming in my sleep. Oh, I love burping Squirtles.
We're supposed to be harmonizing, guys.
There's nothing in it.
That's because Pokemon aren't that small, idiot.
Hey, Pikachu.
Hey, what's up?
He can talk! Oh my gosh! What the?
What are you talking about?
Yeah! I expected to have a deeper voice.
Only you can hear me. I will be the bane of your existence, Ash. You will never love me. Take these tiny Pokeballs. They're good for PKs. That's a stupid looking woman. Here's this. 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 Malfunction. Powering down. Ah, stupid robot.
I'm gonna catch all the Pokemon and force them to battle. I love you too, Mom.
Get him off of you, Ash! It's gonna kill you! Fry your brain! Ash! Put him down! Ash, you're gonna die!
This is the end of the line with us, Pikachu.
You're gonna kill me?
Yeah, I was thinking about it.
Mm-hmm.
Pikachu.
Yeah, whatever.
You're not supposed to agree with me.
What
are you doing? Why are you smiling?
I'm doing a mating call.
Stop mating! Pikachu, it's not the time. There is no other Pikachus around this time of the year. I'm gonna catch you, Pikachu, whether you like it or not. That's what I'm gonna do, because I'm Ash Ketchup. Hey, what's going on?
Huh?
Ah!
Oh, crap.
Ah!
I've been spotted.
Ah!
I should have scared him away. And now I can go report back to the rats of Nim.
Oh, hey, what's going on? You wanna get my Pokeball?
See, this bird is just another actual bird, and it will rip your throat out if you throw a rock at its head.
Ah! Gotta run, Pikachu!
Yeah, you know it!
No, Pikachu, wait! Pikachu! Ah! Ah!
You told me to run! Stop touching me!
Why are you touching me?
They're gonna eat me! They're eating me alive, Ash!
I'm gonna jump!
No, Ash, please.
I'm doing it, Pikachu. I had nothing to live for anyways.
No, I do though! I think I caught a bird or something! How do you fish again? Oh. What Pokemon are you? Is that a Pokemon?
That is a Pokemon.
I want the Pokemon! I caught it in the water! Give it to me now, so I can catch it and bring it home to my family, and you can eat it. Hey Mash. Can you tone it down a bit? I'm getting my headache.
Pikachu!
I'm so fat.
Pikachu!
I can't move.
Pikachu, why did you eat that much?
I wanted to.
Pikachu, no. Now you're gonna have obesity. I wanna be the very best. Top 10.
Top 10 Pokemon to ever exist.
Time for number 1.
Ash Ketchum.
The number 1 Pokemon.
Number 2, Misty.